Welcome! In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about the Provider Index by Bio Pharm Alliance and how you can use it to quickly connect with trusted healthcare professionals and services. The Provider Index is designed as a one-stop resource. Instead of searching endlessly across multiple platforms, Bio Pharm Alliance has created a structured directory that organises healthcare providers in an easy and reliable way. So, how do you get it? Step 1. Visit the Bio Pharm Alliance platform. On the homepage, you'll see a clearly marked section called Provider Index. This is where your journey begins. Step 2. Press on the Provider Index. The system will open a complete list of providers organised by categories, such as hospitals, pharmacies, medical specialists, laboratories, and wellness centres. Each category is easy to navigate, saving you time and effort. Step 3. Take advantage of the filters. You can refine your search by location, area of specialty, ratings, or availability. Whether you're looking for a nearby general practitioner, a pharmacy that operates late at night, or a specialised medical facility, the filters help you narrow down the options quickly. Step 4. Review detailed listings. Every provider entry includes full information, name, address, contact numbers, operating hours, specialties, and often direct website links. This means you don't have to waste time hunting for details elsewhere. Step 5. Connect directly. Once you've identified the right provider, you can call, email, or visit their site directly from the directory. This makes the entire process faster, smoother, and more reliable. The Bio Pharm Alliance Provider Index isn't just a list, it's a carefully curated resource designed to help you access healthcare efficiently. Whether you need routine checkups, specialised treatment, or pharmaceutical support, this tool ensures you find the right provider when you need them most. To summarise, visit Bio Pharm Alliance, press on the Provider Index, browse by category, use filters for precision, review detailed listings, and connect directly to the right healthcare provider. That's how simple it is. Press here to get the Provider Index by Bio Pharm Alliance, your gateway to trusted healthcare access made easy.